Guess what? It's August 4th. It is Friday. Or is it F-R-I-D-A-Y or F-R-Y-D-A? That's right, because every Friday in August, Inquisitive Farmwife is hosting air fryer recipes. So I'm lucky enough to be in on the first Friday, and I want to share with you a great recipe that is so easy to make. And if you like Asian food the way my family does, they'll love it. These are little pork dumplings that you make in your air fryer. It's really easy. Angela from Inquisitive Farmwife is sponsoring a giveaway. All you have to do is watch the videos every Friday and comment, and she will pick one random commenter, and you'll win your own personal air fryer, and there will be some other small gifts given away too. I mean, how easy is that? So I have the schedule right down below so you don't miss a single Friday on Friday. I love using my air fryer. In fact, I don't know what my husband and I would do without it. It's really great because there's usually only two of us now at home. We can make a quick dinner without using up my whole big oven. So there's so many things that you can make in an air fryer. And today I'm going to show you how to make an appetizer, or it can be your main course if that's what you like. And it's Asian. It is well, let me show you. A dumpling, right? Listen to this. Hear that crunch? It is a crunchy dumpling made in the air fryer, and it's so good and so easy. I mean, just watch this. Is the recipe pork dumplings with dipping sauce. Now, it didn't say if you just use the leaves or the stalk part too, but I like this part too, so I'm going to use it. You want to dice it small. You get the idea there. And for the leaves, we're going to cut them basically kind of in three parts here. Okay, so we got our leaves. Then what I do is just cut them again. And then bunch them together. And then kind of cut them on the diagonally like this. Diagonally, that's not a word, is it? The diagonal. Back when I got 4 cups. Now for this recipe, we're going to need 18 of our little 3.5-inch wonton wrappers. And you can use square ones, or I am using the round ones, which are more like a dumpling. And 4 cups of bok choy. And we're going to use a tablespoon of ginger and a tablespoon of garlic. 4 ounces of ground pork, so just a little bit more than 4 ounces. And 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And 1 teaspoon of canola oil. So we're heating up our 1 teaspoon of oil. And then we're going to add our bok choy. And we're going to cook this for about 8 minutes. We want the leaves to be wilted, and we want the stalky part to be a little tender. We'll be back. You see, the green is getting a brighter green. It's done 4 minutes. This might be done at 6 minutes. We'll have to see. Okay, so it's been just about 8 minutes. Oops, yep, there's the timer. Just a minute. Now we're putting in our tablespoon of garlic. Get it all out here. There we go. I love this garlic in a tube. And again, I'm using the ginger in a tube. I'm going to cook it for about a minute more. Get this ginger and garlic throughout. We're going to add the meat. And our quarter of a teaspoon of red pepper. Mine's pretty heaping because I love red pepper. Let's mix this up well. It's all mushing together really nice. Don't want just meat. We want to have the other stuff mixed in too. Yeah, getting it all in there. Now the fun part, if you have the square wonton sheets, you can just fold them up like this, and that will work great. I have this handy dandy little dumpling mix. It's so much fun making the dumplings with this, and I've got a link down below, and it would make great pierogies too. So it's a nice little thing to add to your kitchen gadgets. But remember, if you don't have one, you can easily make them just like little tiny pies, and it will be just fine. But then we just take one of these, okay? Put it like that. And then you want about 1 tablespoon of filling. So we're just going to put that right here. Okay. Then you just moisten the edges. This is important or it won't stick. Okay. Then you're just going to go like this, and then squeeze it. And let's see what happens. There. Isn't that pretty? Let's make another one. Put that right in the center, your tablespoon of meat. Okay. There we go. And now, that on there. Just swoosh it. That's the fun part. There you go. Perfect. Let's make the rest. They're ready for the air fryer. We just want to lay these in. Don't crowd them. Probably going to make like 3 batches of 6 each. I think that would be good. Okay, ready for the air fryer. We want it 375 for 6 minutes on both sides. So you can see they're starting to crisp up. Okay, we just want to turn them over. Okay, and do another 6 minutes. Let's make our dipping sauce while our dumplings are cooking. Don't those look delicious? We're gonna let them cool off a minute and then do my favorite part, the taste test. Okay, let's dip it. Did you hear that crunch? Have to have the other half. These are so good. I just want to eat another one. But I'm going to end this video first. I want to thank Angela from the Inquisitive Farmwife for inviting me. And remember, join the collaboration. Just use this hashtag and tag Angela. And you can have your video posted too. And if you just want to watch all the videos, which I do, then do that and leave a comment and you might win your own personal air fryer. I mean, how great is that? So, every Friday, that's F-R-Y, or is it F-R-I day? Anyway, watch the videos and comment and have fun this August. And if you're interested in other air fryer recipes, I have a bunch in this playlist. Thank you.